What's up, y'all? This is a tutorial for coloring black and white, or basically any photo, coloring over any photo for that matter. Right now I just have a black and white fruit bowl I pulled off Google for the sake of this sample or example. So right now I just have a random color. Just select any random color here and color in, and if you just color over it, it'll ruin the picture because right now I only have one layer. So see, right with the brush tool, it colors over the layer, it ruins it. Right now you need to make a new layer. Click down here, see a new layer, then you can color, and you see why is it still ruining the picture. Well, go over to the layers blending mode, change the color or the blending mode, and depending on what version of Photoshop you have, it'll be different. But usually this section here, overlay, soft light, whatever, select overlay, and you can now color that layer up and it won't overlap or ruin the picture. Change the color to a different color and then color the other areas within the same layer, or make a new layer and change the blending mode. It's up to you. Never seen a red banana, but maybe it'll taste good. Right now you can see it bled out. Even though the background's black, you can see the color bled out. Erase it. So what you need to do, or what you could do another way, is select the original photo, the background that you, or the photo that you want, lasso tool around your area, your desired area, or use the magic wand and just click in the area you want. Hold down Alt and click to deselect the area you don't want. Okay, and click on the area. Let's say for the sake of this, that's what I want. Okay, so I can go up to edge feather, or right now, or this version is called a select and mask. So click that and you can play with the smooth, the feather. You can see the selected area as I move these around. It changes the edge. Okay, don't want to make it too much because it won't look realistic. So play with it to your heart's desire. Then you can go to the brush tool again and choose whatever color. Let's turn this orange into a lime and then color it in, but make sure that you select the other layer or make a new layer. Okay, you can make a new layer and then color it so that you don't color the original photo. Otherwise it'll ruin the photo. You could color it into the same layer, or let's go back and make a new layer and color in the new layer. You could color it in first and then change the blending mode, or change the blending mode first and then color it in. And then let's say you don't want it to be a lime, you want it to be an orange. Go up to image, adjustment, hue, saturation, and change the hue. See the color changes. So yep, you could change it into a lime, a lemon, an orange, or any other kind of rainbow poisonous fruit if you want to. Yeah. Well, yep, there you have it. That's how you color in colors, or add in color to a black and white photo, or basically any photo for that matter. Just play around with it and you'll get used to it.